everybody. In today's video, we're going to be taking a look at my latest Amazon purchase. This is the LongPlus Smart Bird Feeder. What I want to do first is just show you all the items it comes with, and I'm going to get it set up, and then we will take a look at some bird footage. The feeder uses a free cell phone app called Vico Home. It doesn't cost anything. You just have to download the app, and you need the feeder. Let's take a look at everything it comes with. First, you have the feeder. You've got an optional perch. What I liked about this one is look how big the perch area is. You've got this screw right here. If you wanted to take the perch off, you could. The camera is on the inside. Camera cannot be taken out. You can basically adjust the camera angle any way you want to. And then on the back here, you've got a release for your roof. So when you want to put seed in, you're simply going to drop the roof, put your seed in the back, close your roof. The seed is going to funnel down the sides of the camera and then into your seed tray. And that's how you feed it. Comes with a mounting arm. We're going to simply slide this under the bottom of the feeder. A couple different instruction manuals. The big reason I like this one is because it comes with a solar panel. There's other ones that you can take out, recharge, but I'm hoping I can put this out there, put it on a solar panel, and not have to worry about bringing it in. I'm going to be using the mounting clamps that they give you. They give you a few different mounting clamps that I'm simply going to be running through the bracket on the back of the feeder and then around my bird pool. They also give you some mounting hardware for your solar panel. If you don't want to use those, you've also got some mounting screws for screwing into a post or into a tree. We've got our antenna, a cloth mounting strap that you could use instead of using the metal clamps. I could use the cloth mounting strap, but I think I'm going to use the metal clamps. Uses a Type-C charging cable, so in the event that you did want to bring the feeder in and charge it, or if your solar panel is not keeping it fully charged, you can use the Type-C cable to manually charge the feeder. And then last but not least, we have our solar panel. Look how thin this solar panel is. And again, it's got a Type-C input. That's what we're going to be running into the back of the camera. I wanted to show you basically where that port is. You've got a port right here. It's labeled charging. We're going to simply run the solar panel into the back of the camera. So that's a quick look at the camera and everything it comes with. Let's get it mounted, see what kind of bird footage we get.